Hello everyone and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to focus on 10 phrasal verbs that start with the word take. Phrasal verbs are an important aspect of English language learning, and mastering them can greatly improve your fluency. So, let's get started. 1. Take on, which means to accept a responsibility or a challenge. For example, she took on the role of project manager and successfully completed the project. 2. Take after, which means to resemble or have similar qualities to someone in your family. For example, he takes after his father, who was also a great athlete. 3. Take away, which means to remove or subtract something. For example, can you take away the extra chairs from the table? 4. Take back, which means to retract a statement or return something to its original location. For example, I need to take back what I said earlier. I was wrong. 5. Take down, which means to write something down or dismantle something. For example, can you take down this phone number for me? Or, I need to take down this tent before we leave. 6. Take in, which has several meanings, including to understand something or to deceive someone. For example, I couldn't take in all the information presented in the lecture. Or, he was taken in by the scam artist. 7. Take off, which has several meanings, including to leave quickly or to become successful quickly. For example, I need to take off. I'm running late. Or, her career really took off after she appeared on the popular TV show. 8. Take on, which means to hire or to acquire a new responsibility or challenge. For example, the company is looking to take on new employees for their expansion project. 9. Take out, which means to remove something from a specific location or to buy food from a restaurant to eat elsewhere. For example, can you take out the trash? Or, I'm going to take out some sushi for lunch. 10. Take up, which means to start a new hobby or activity or to occupy a particular amount of space. For example, I'm thinking of taking up painting as a hobby. Or, this couch takes up too much space in the living room. And there you have it. 10 phrasal verbs that start with the word take. Don't forget to practice using these in your own sentences to help you remember them. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.